Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I am going to tell you how to fix flashlight not working on iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone and you are having flashlight problem, means if your flashlight is automatically turned off or having any other problem like that, your flashlight is not turning on in your iPhone. So guys, how can you fix this problem? So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your settings, and guys after this you need to scroll it down, click on general, and guys after this you need to scroll down, click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset and click on reset all settings. So guys, in this, by doing this reset settings, your settings only will be reset and your data will not be loses. And guys after doing this you need to go back, and here is the option of software update. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and guys after this make sure that you have updated your iPhone to latest iOS version. So guys, if you are using oldest iOS version, mean 14, 15 or 16, then guys you need to update your iPhone to iOS 17. And guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys after doing all the settings your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, then guys simply you need to go back, and guys you need to open Apple Sport in your iPhone. So guys, here you can see, simply you need to click on Apple Sport, click on your gadget, and guys after this you need to scroll it down, click on more, and guys after this here you need to find the option of flashlight. So guys, now you can see that I have not any option related to flashlight. So guys, if you don't have any option, then guys simply you need to scroll it down, and guys after this if can't find the option of flashlight, then guys you need to click on, here is the option of tell us what happened. So guys you need to click on it, and guys here you need to write your problem. So guys, if you have any kind of problem related to flashlight, then guys simply you need to write your problem and click on next. And guys after doing this it will suggest you his problem fixing solution, or you will able to show the numbers like that. So guys, I am showing you for example these numbers. So guys, then you will be able to see like that numbers, and guys you need to tell them your problem, call them at these two numbers and tell them your problem, and guys after telling your problem they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.